A lot of people quietly worry that if they miss a physical therapy session, they've already set themselves back. They don't always say it out loud, but the stress is there. I want to calm that concern because recovery doesn't hinge on perfect attendance. It hinges on understanding what actually matters at this stage. I'm Dr. Dan, and I work with people over 55 who are recovering from shoulder surgery and trying to make sense of conflicting advice. Here's something that often gets overlooked. Physical therapy is a tool, not a test for you to pass or fail. In the early post-op phase, the shoulder is still healing biologically. Tissue quality, protection, and gradual exposure matter more than how many appointments you checked off a list. There are people who attend every session and still struggle because they push too hard or too fast. And there are people who miss sessions but recover steadily because they respect healing, moving appropriately, and avoiding unnecessary strain. What tends to matter is consistency over time, not perfection. Week to week, life happens. Transportation issues, illness, fatigue, or scheduling conflicts, they're all common. Missing a session does not automatically mean damage. What creates problems is a misunderstanding of what your shoulder needs during this phase. That's where anxiety usually comes from, not from the missed appointments themselves. But if you want a clearer picture of what's normal early on, there's a video I created called 5 Truths About the First 6 Weeks of Shoulder Surgery. It explains what the shoulder is actually going through during this window. And if you want something practical to keep you grounded, the post-op shoulder surgery checklist can help you stay oriented without overthinking every decision. Recovery works best when it's calm, informed, and patient. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be steady. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next Monday.